When it comes to full-size luxury SUVs, few names carry the weight and presence of the Cadillac Escalade. And today on 91 Gearbox, we're diving deep into this American icon. From the moment it rolls into view, the Escalade commands attention. Its bold, boxy stance, sharp lines, and signature LED lighting make it instantly recognizable. Cadillac has done an incredible job of balancing elegance with muscle, giving this SUV a look that's both refined and intimidating. Under the hood, the Escalade is just as impressive. Power comes from a massive 6.2-liter V8 engine producing around 420 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. There's also an available 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel option for those who prefer torque and efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or towing heavy loads, the Escalade handles it with ease, delivering a surprisingly smooth and controlled ride despite its size. Inside is where the Escalade truly separates itself from the pack. Cadillac has pulled out all the stops with a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. Premium leather, real wood accents, and brushed metal finishes are everywhere. The highlight is the curved old display, spanning over 38 inches of digital real estate, providing crystal clear graphics for navigation, entertainment, and driver information. There's also an available AKG Studio reference sound system with 36 speakers. It's giving you an immersive audio experience unlike anything else in the class. Space is another strong suit of the Escalade, offering 3 rows of seating and plenty of cargo room, making it as practical as it is luxurious. Technology and safety are also front and center. Cadillac's Super Cruise, a semi-autonomous driving system, allows for hands-free driving on compatible roads, which is a game-changer in long-distance travel. Add to that a full suite of driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking, and you have a vehicle that's as safe as it is stylish. The Escalade isn't just an SUV, it's a statement, a blend of performance, luxury, and technology that few can match. If you want a vehicle that turns heads and pampers you at the same time, the Cadillac Escalade is hard to beat, and here at 91 Gearbox, I think it's one of the best expressions of modern luxury on wheels.